Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Lesson 5. AWS Big Data Processing Services. Lesson 5 of the Big Data on AWS Certification. Course focuses on AWS services for processing and analyzing data in your big data solutions. Here's an overview of what you can expect to learn in this lesson. 1. Data Processing Overview. An introduction to data processing concepts and the importance of processing data efficiently for analysis. 2. Amazon EMR, Elastic MapReduce. An in-depth look at Amazon EMR, a cloud-native big data platform for processing large amounts of data using popular open-source frameworks such as Apache Hadoop, Apache Spark, and Presto. You'll learn about EMR features, architecture, and best practices for using EMR in big data solutions. 3. AWS Glue. An overview of AWS Glue, a fully managed extract, transform, and load (ETL) service for preparing and loading data for analytics. You'll learn about Glue's features, crawlers, and data catalog. 4. Amazon Athena. An introduction to Amazon Athena, an interactive query service that allows you to analyze data in Amazon S3 using standard SQL queries. You'll learn about Athena's features, performance, and use cases. 5. AWS Batch. An overview of AWS Batch, a service for running batch computing workloads in the AWS cloud. You'll learn about batches features, job definitions, and job queues. 6. Data Processing Best Practices. Best practices for processing and analyzing data in your big data solutions, including data partitioning, job orchestration, and data security. 7. Case studies. Real-world case studies of organizations using AWS processing services in their big data solutions, highlighting the benefits and challenges they faced. By the end of this lesson, you will have a solid understanding of AWS services for processing and analyzing data in your big data solutions. You will be prepared to move on to the next lesson, which covers data analysis and visualization on AWS.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.